guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be painting the Proud family, so keep watching. I'm going to be using my full cover XXL square tips from my website. I'm also going to be using this fake practice hand from Red Iguana. In the description there's a discount code for my shop and Red Iguana. After I painted all the nails white, I'm going to be painting every single one of these characters on my nails. We're going to be using some colors from my new complexion collection. For the first character, I'm using the shade Baby Doll, and I mixed white into it. Now I'm getting the sketch outline with my shading gel in brown. Recently, I've loved using the shading gel, not only for shading, but for getting the outline. It's really good because sometimes I noticed when I do the black outline and then I fill in with color, the color can kind of like bleed into the black because the black is so pigmented. And then it's also good to use this shading gel color because if you need to fix anything later or adjust the lines a little bit somewhere else, you won't notice it as much because it's not so black. I'm going to use my gel color pumpkin butt to fill in her hair. By the way, you guys, I am using the 9mm liner brush and the Hella Cute liner brush in this video. I'm using So Fresh So Clean for her shirt and Ghost with the Most for her skirt. And now I'm going to use the color Sinister to just get the inside of her mouth right here. I'm also going to be using Spice Girl for the tongue. Now, I mix a little bit of brown into my Ghost with the Most, and I'm going to be using that color to get the outline of her outfit. Now, I'm going to be using my new Platinum liner gel to get the outline of her glasses, and I added her braces too. Now, I'm going to just outline this little cut on her outfit and finish outlining her as well. Taking my white liner gel, I'm just going to get 2 little circles for her eyes. I'm going to be using my new color Cocoa Puff and getting the outline of her nose, all her facial features, and I'm also using the blue Double D liner gel to go in and make her pupils and her eyes. You guys can pause this if you need to. I know I'm going fast. Now with that same pumpkin butt shade, I mix a little bit of brown into it. I'm going to get the underneath of her hair. I'm also taking my black liner gel. I'm doing a little part in her mouth right here. And of course, we're out of focus on this part, but I added some lines in her hair. Now I'm taking Daydream, and I decided I was going to use this as the background color of all the characters because it looked really good against the colors we're using on the characters. I'm finishing her off with my new matte top coat, and look at how amazing she looks. Next, we're moving on to Penny. Next, I'm just going to be getting the outline of Penny Proud using that same brown black shading gel. You guys can pause this right here if you need to capture the outline. And now I'm going to be using my new color Bare It All. This is the shade I went with for her skin tone. I mixed like a yellow and a white together for her shirt. Next, I'm using the color Faded. I mixed a couple colors into this to create this skirt color and to create this shirt color. Now I'm just filling in all her hair with the Baddest black liner gel. I just want to let you guys know that practice makes perfect. If you ever get discouraged, do not quit. Just keep going. I'm going to be using Black Cherry to get the outline on her. Of course, my camera went out of focus, so here, I'm just going to pause. No, I mean, you're going to pause. Just pause it real quick. After laying down her facial features, I'm going to get the white lighter gel, and I'm filling in the eyes, the mouth, and I'm gonna outline her. For the outline, I use the color Sinister. Next, we're gonna fill in her lip using the new color Cocoa Puff. She's coming along so cute. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna get her eyes outline and fill in 2 little circles for her eyes. Pay attention to the sides of the pupils. Pupils too small or too big can throw the whole character off. Using a dark brown for her beauty mark, and I'm gonna be finishing her off with the matte top coat, and look at how amazing she came out. I'm obsessed. So I'm an idiot and I forgot to add the little hair thing, so here I am adding that later. Next, we're gonna be doing Diona. I'm gonna be using the shade Black Cherry to get her outline. Thanks to the amazing new iPhone 14, we're out of focus so much because this phone just sucks. I'm gonna get the outline of her head, the outline of her fabulous hair, and now I'm gonna take Genie in the Bottle blue liner gel, and I'm just gonna get the outline of her outfit. I love this brush. It has so much control. It can do thick lines and really, really thin lines as well. The one you see me working with right now is the 9mm liner brush. After you've gotten the outline of her outfit, I'm just gonna add 2 little circles up here for her hair ties. I took my yellow liner gel and I mixed a little brown into it to create the color of her hair. For her skin tone, I'm using my gel color Cocoa Puff. And we're gonna be filling in her face, her neck, her ears, and her stomach. There's 2 little legs at the bottom too. Next, I'm using I'm Sprung, and I'm filling that color in where her shirt is, and I'm going to be using Be My Lover blue to fill in her other part of her shirt. For the skirt, I used Be My Lover mixed with a little bit of purple, and then I'm going to fill in her little hair ties up here. Now, I'm using that color Black Cherry to do the outline of her eyes and her eyebrows and all her facial features. Make sure you leave too little lip area, and then I'm going to outline where her teeth are. I'm using a orange gel mixed with white to do her lip color, and then obviously going in with the teeth and the eyes with my white liner gel. I'm going to fill in the inside of her mouth using the color Sinister that we used earlier. And now I'm going with my Baddest black liner gel, and I'm just getting the outline of her eyes. Next, I'm going to go back over the eyebrows with black, and then I'm going to be filling in the eyes, just doing 2 pupils. There's a little curved up line over here on the side of her mouth. I went ahead and added that. Honestly, she was always my favorite character on the Proud Family. I always thought she was so funny. Look how cute she came out. Oh my gosh. I added the background color, and then I'm gonna bold out around her just because I don't want the background color to bleed into my bold lines. She's so cute. Last but not least, we're gonna paint Laci. Now, I didn't even bother trying to record the outline. Just pause it. I also used the color Mocha Magic for the outline on her. I'm going to use the color Black Cherry to fill in her hair color. And for her skin tone, we're using the color Honey Bun. By the way, if you're new to gel nail art, you need to be curing every single one of these colors in between each other, or they're just all gonna bleed together. I'm gonna use the red gel color Hello Sidney to fill in her outfit down here. And we're also gonna add her little flower in her hair up here. I'm using that same I'm Sprung pink to fill in her shirt, and Be My Lover blue to fill in her skirt. For the facial features, I used Black Cherry. Once again, didn't record. I know, I'm terrible, but here's a close-up. This part was also a fail. Couldn't record it. Used grape soda liner gel to get the outline of her outfit. Now, I'm taking my Level Up white liner gel and just filling in her eyes. I mixed the mauve color for her lip, and now we're gonna get her eyes outline using Baddest black. I don't know why, but this part is so satisfying to me. Just look at that line work. We gonna do the same damn thing up here for her eyebrows. This eyebrow, woohoo, this one was fun. Look at that curl. Oh, look at that line work. Okay, let me stop. So now I'm gonna just fill in the background right here. Look at it, it's looking so good. I'm taking my Sinister gel polish, outlining her outfit, and now I'm filling in eyes. Why did I say it like that? I'm filling in her eyes, top coating her. Here's her finished. Pause it if you're late. Catch up. I really want to see you guys try this look. Please try to do this and tag me. I am begging. I'm so happy with how these came out. I love the matte finish, the colors, everything, the nostalgia. Obsessed. I am dropping a brand new nudes collection. It's called the Complexion collection. It's got some light shades, some medium shades, some beautiful dark shades. They'll be great for portraits, great for characters, skin tones, great for fall. I'm so excited to release these colors for you guys. And here's a close-up again on the nail art we did. If you guys want to support my channel, please leave me a comment, a like, and be sure to subscribe. That really motivates me to keep making these videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one soon. Bye, guys!